Hello guys. Namaste. Barev Ndiepi. Sanbonani. Bonjour. Ni hao. Guys, this is Ubonke from JPV. What I have there, I have a laptop, a HP laptop. They sent it to me. They said this machine doesn't really turn on. But guys, I was very confused because as soon as I connected the charger, the machine was turning on. Except for now, that the charger I was using didn't have any power. So hence why it's very, very important when you are repairing a machine which is not turning on to check the charger, guys. See, I'm using 19 volts and it's showing me 0 volts. There's no power. See, 0 volts on the charger. So I had to change the charger. So it means their mistake here, they were using a wrong charger. But again, after this, I had to double check everything step by step. You know, guys, sometimes it's happened that you have a machine which is not turning on because there's something shorting the power. So here I did assemble everything step by step to see which one was causing a short. It's a simple repair. It's something that you can do as well. As a technician, you need such a skill. You need to think like that, guys. Alright, so as you can see, there was power, the machine was turning on. I had to connect the cables. The first flexi cable, I believe, is for the touchpad. I did connected it, and the machine still turned on perfectly fine with no issues. Did the same as well. I have to connect another ribbon on top there. I believe that ribbon is for the buttons there on top. So I had to connect it as well, and then still check if the machine is turning on or not. Guys, let me repeat this again. It's very, very important if we're having a machine which is misbehaving to connect everything step by step to see which component is causing the short. See, there we go. It's turning on. I'm like, okay, fine. What else to connect? The keyboard. Did the same with the keyboard. I had to connect the keyboard again because there is something which is causing which is causing a short. Did connect the keyboard. There we go. Machine is still turning on. It didn't make any sense to me. So I had to connect the hard drive. The hard drive on this machine, it's on the DVD cade. Since we lost the hard drive connect. So you can use a DVD cade and connect a hard drive there. Meaning you have to buy this kind of DVD cases where you can connect a hard drive. So I have to connect it and still check whether the machine is still turning on, yes or no. After connecting everything, not everything, I mean the DVD cable, still do the same thing. Connect the keyboard, connect the charger, still the machine is turning on. And then this time I have to make sure that the keyboard is working. See, when I press enter, the keyboard is not working. And that's a brand new keyboard. So I spread to Windows, but still the keyboard, some of the keyboard keys were not working. See, space bar is not working. When I press space, it's not working. When I press enter, it's not working. When I press start is not working. But if I press with the mouse, the PC was showing me the start menu. But with the button, as you can see, I'm tapping, it's not working. See, you don't panic. You take it easy. You see what I did here? I knew that the keyboard was brand new, so there's no way that the keyboard was not going to work. I thought maybe they gave me a wrong keyboard, stuff like that. But guys, as always, you have to be sure of what you are doing. So what I did here, I disconnected the keyboard because all the keys were not working. Some were working, but most were not working. As you can see, most were not working. So it was simple to disconnect the keyboard, and then I have to push the keyboard perfectly fine. And then the keyboard, see, start button on the keyboard is now working. So it means I didn't connect the keyboard connector very well. Guys, this I don't know what I should call this, a repair or what, but something that's boring. But I believe someone there they will learn 1 and 2 things, and it belongs to us. It's a stock that belongs to us.